pun dari kiksi kiman para kijopi kiyo identity. So it is a time of joy to each and every one of us, not only to the student, but to the teachers, faculty members who are present. The task that has been put in front each and every one of us, that we are able to fulfill it with joy and happiness. And we understand the challenges that the college are facing with regard to infrastructure, with regard to other utility within this college. Keeping in mind all those challenges, BHOI SYNOD College, after it has attained full affiliation to the Northeastern Hill University in 2023, now you have to grow from strength to strength. Even though I have said in my opening remark, the challenges are always there. With regard to student, with regard to management, family, the support, these are issues in each and every one of us we have to go through. Nomor kata, kini kifan di bahagian kita dalam hal ini por. Kini kita por dokumen, kata-kata, narum tajuk judi lambar, nabiyo sakilang, ya kini kesini, graduation day, narum tajuk ini, student ini judi. But being Islam, most among you have pursued for further studies, for PGs, Shillong, Guwahati, Pura, or elsewhere. Those who have an opportunity, your family, and will continue to support you. And we wish you all the best in days to come. When we are here today, remembering a student life. As a student in the past, at various stages in which I personally remember how we have struggled to ensure that we will sail through at every steps, to every challenges that we are facing.
Finally,